Namo Namaha. Have you ever wondered how a mantra can bring peace to your mind, or how chanting a mantra can help you focus and connect with your inner self? If you are curious about the power of mantra chanting, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I will share information which you need to know about mantra chanting, its significance, benefits, and how it can transform our daily life. As per ancient Indian scriptures, mantra is defined as Mananath Trayate iti mantraha. Here, Mananath means from meditation or contemplation, and Trayate means protects or liberates. So, mantra is that which protects or liberates through meditation. A mantra is a sacred sound, word or phrase that when chanted or repeated helps focus the mind, brings inner peace, and connects us with the higher consciousness. Here are some traditional mantras. Omkar mantra represents universal consciousness. Shiva Panchakshara mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, is sacred chant that glorifies Lord Shiva, enhancing spiritual energy and devotion. The Gayatri mantra, dedicated to Savita, the sun god, is profound prayer for enlightenment. The Mahamrutyunjay mantra serves as a powerful invocation of Lord Shiva, providing protection from the fear of death and promoting healing. And the Navarna mantra honors goddess Durga, invoking the strength and protection. Important to understand how these mantras can deeply affect our spiritual journey and well-being. You may wonder why these mantras are so impactful, how they transform our lives and elevate our consciousness. We can understand through three different perspectives. The first one is divine sound of Sanskrit. The unique vibration of the Sanskrit language amplify the effectiveness of the mantras, making them more powerful. The second is mind-born gifts from the sages. Mantras are not just written documents by saints, they are actually mind-born gifts from our divine sages. These sacred sounds were revealed to the sages after extensive spiritual discipline. The third one is historical significance of mantras. Mantras are our golden treasures, rich in wisdom and spiritual guidance. As for example, the Gayatri mantra, mentioned in Rigveda, was bestowed upon us by the great sage Maharishi Vishwamitra through his profound meditation and divine insight. Similarly, the significance of the Shiva Panchakshara mantra can be found in the Shiv Mahapuran, when Narad Muni advises Mata Parvati to chant it to please Lord Shiva. This highlights the enduring importance of these sacred sounds in spiritual traditions across the ages. Mantras have a profound impact on our body and mind. Let us explore how they influence us. Starting with our brains, research shows that chanting mantras balances the left and right cerebral hemispheres, creating a state of relaxation and producing alpha waves, which are associated with calmness. This balance enhances cognitive functions like memory and focus, making it easier to concentrate on tasks. Regular mantra practice can even thicken the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for willpower, helping us overcome challenges and achieve our goals. Mantras can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression also. When we chant mantras, our bodies release endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which boost our mood. Additionally, mantras reduce cortisol levels, a hormone linked to stress, allowing us to feel more relaxed. Mantras can significantly enhance our digestive health. When we chant, we stimulate our vagus nerve, which carries signals between your brain, heart, and digestive system. This activation promotes better blood flow to the digestive organs, enhancing the efficiency of nutrient absorption. Furthermore, the mindfulness cultivated through mantra chanting reduces stress, which can alleviate digestive issues and support overall gut health. Finally, mantras promote energy clearing by addressing subconscious emotions like anger and fear that can block our energy channels. Regular mantra chanting calms our mind and opens the heart, empowering us to release negativity. Incorporating mantra chanting into our daily routines can be a powerful tool for enhancing our mental and emotional well-being. I know many questions may arise in your mind after watching this video. Which is the proper way to chant mantras for maximum benefits? which mantra is beneficial for what purpose. In the upcoming episode, we will explore these topics in detail, guiding you on how to get maximum benefits through mantra chanting in your life. But until then, I request you not to believe my words blindly. Instead, give it a divine try yourself. Choose any one mantra that connects with you and practice it regularly for at least 10 minutes each day. This personal experience will allow you to discover the transformative power of mantra chanting for yourself. We will meet again in the next episode to continue exploring this profound practice. Namo Namaha Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam with Om Gurukulam.